because that is all I can do.
So Bapuji, you very well know what is going to happen next. I mean, look, things actually don't go as they are planned. But let's not worry about what will happen next. And let's see an amusing, foot-tapping, terrific item dance by the Golden Deer. Yes, Bapuji, the Golden Deer! Zoom, 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 zoom. My Golden Deer dances. My Golden Deer dances. Zoom, 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 zoom. Hey! What is he doing here? Is it him? What's that battle? Oh, sprained his leg again. Arey Baba. Really sorry, Babuji. Sad. We can't show you that Golden Deer dance. This Golden Deer, I tell you, creates troubles everywhere. In Ramayana, in my play. Now, since there was no deer dance, there won't be any interval. So let's continue. Hey, no interval. Let's continue. So where was I? Things don't actually go as they are planned. So let's not hurt our heads worrying what will happen next. Let's directly get, oh, here they come. Come on. Yeah. So let's get it directly from the horse's mouth. What is going to happen next? Oh, very good. So Mari, in the end, you agreed to what Ravan said. You did it, didn't you?
If I fail to heed the commands of...
Oh, son, the show is over. You can speak in plain language.
If I hadn't listened to Ravan, then...
He would have punched you on the face. So it was fear that made you agree, right? So in the end, you got killed by Ram.
Whether at the hands of Ram or Ravan, I had to die anyway. I thought if I die at the hands of Ram, I would have salvation, eternal heaven, you know.
Oh, devotional sentiments. So you only thought about your own salvation. It didn't even occur to you even once that it was because of you that Sita was kidnapped. Let it. So in the end, you were killed by Ram. Hamida, well.
You are panicking about suicide. Look what he's making me do. Suicide bombing. Am I the only one who thinks we are overreacting? Just a little. I'm telling you. People will think that we have no better job to do than flipping off the audience one by one.
What you are thinking?
I'm telling you, I'm not taking the circus anymore.
Oh, there is no return ticket from where you are used to go. You tell me. I'm not taking this circus anymore.
Ha! You know as well as us that over the years we have played a wide variety of things. Ustad has made us do a lot of disgraceful things on this very stage, Baba. And as a wise man once told me, once the game is over, the king and the pawn come back to the same place. So, yes, I did it. I killed him. Fair and square.
So, you heard it, Babuji. This so and so killed the old man for money. And this over here killed hundreds of people with the explosion. So, in the end, all of you got defeated, right? So, just sing your, what song? Whichever. Orchestra!
We are the losers. This is our song. We were not able to stand our ground. We didn't know whom to call our own. That's why we lost, remained alone. We are the losers. losers. This is a song. Oh, how we suffered. Oh, how we suffered. But all in vain. But all in vain. We say so again. We are the losers.
Enough! Enough of all this. Everybody's been poisoning Hamida's poor ears with God knows what on it. As if she's not been through enough. And off she goes with some ugly, out of fashion cheap bomb suit. Cheap. I'm telling you, this simply won't go. What do you expect me to do, Father?
Fix your eyes on mine, Hamida, and see if you can find your old father, all 10-headed in care and concern, who took you unto his lap when you were helpless on the wayside, surrounded by the shadows of death, made your acquaintance and snatched you from the clutches of Yam.
It is fate's invisible hand that you seek to stop, Father. One might as well try to cage snow or taste the wind.
True. Every word of what you say is true. Even today, my heart flows out to your feet in gratitude. But you must pay! You must pay in full! You must pay in blood!
Prepared as I am to do your bidding, please don't ask me to lure away the police and his brothers with my miraculous powers.
Hari Om Tat Sat. You, my friends, are hereby granted leave of your senses. I bow down to your infinite wisdom. This old man of yours.
Do not taint Hamida's memories with hatred. Okay, I'm going to go now. Just when I'm naive enough to believe in a miracle, it arrives. But you know what? I'm disgusted at it. But you know what the sad part is? The sad part is, we are clearly more drunk than I thought.
Cheers!
Manas Rapte! Go ahead! Go! Where will go ahead? Through that exit you will go. Tomorrow, sun will shine bright and early, sun will shine bright and early. Then what? It will
Interesting game you have set up this time. I admit it. I'm at loss to decide.
You mean you can't figure out your next move?
Oh, no. I was merely thinking how to beat you in least possible moves. Surely, you have to be much better prepared than that if you plan to beat me. I thought you already knew that.
I come prepared.
Surprise me again, Manas. With such theatricality. But I imagined if you were to commit a murder, you would do it quickly and quietly. No fuss, no mace. I always knew you are much better player than you.
Enough with the ridiculous. There's no other way this can end. Know this well as I do. Man must do what he must do.
Of course he must. And a man in a prime like yourself, quick of speech and thought, must surely mutilate his soul in order to make something of himself. I know. You grasp this truth remarkably quickly.
I'm going to go through with this. And it will set me free. It will be joyous.
Come now! Get up! Is this the best of Manas Rao Apte? If you are going to do this, as you are clearly fond of reminding me, you will do it with your head held high, looking in my eyes like a man.
You think I won't go through this? You think I don't have it in me?
Contrary, I think it is exactly what you are doing. You always had it in yourself. Even if you don't want to believe it, there is no turning back. Do it. Shoot me!
Get away from me.
Do it or you will be a whining, pathetic failure as Just do it. Pull the trigger. So this is the end, Babuji. Thank you for bearing with us this long. But Babuji, this is how it happened. You saw this. Marich, Manas, Hamida. In the end, commit a heinous crime. But what can they do? है ना? That is all that would happen in a real life, won't it?
Jolly good show, huh? They all seem to enjoy it. And why wouldn't they? After all, we the few, the helpless, the confused, have been silenced once again. And the wheels continue to be in motion. And for what? I put a bullet into a man that I deeply respected. And doing it did not make me feel invincible or stronger in any way.
It was always about control, wasn't it? Restoring the balance, sending a message, righting an egregious wrong. These were never the priority, always the ladders. But it doesn't matter, does it? What matters is getting the job done, any which way possible. Twisting this thing in that person. Creating wounds, offering wisdom, whispering prophecies. I knew I had no real life to go back to. But even my choice of city was different. Can there be anything more invasive, more hideous? Using a dying shell to exercise your fading sense of control?
It has been so. Ever since man realized the insidious nature of his power. Power, not just of mighty weapons and mighty limbs, but the power of words. Words which make you commit such unspeakable acts, do not make you feel any less human while you do them. I betrayed Lord Ram, whom I worship. Is it written thus that every Ravan will have his way with us, even as he keep us offering ourselves at the altar again and again?
I don't know if it's been written thus. I don't know if we'll ever have a say in the course that existence takes. But for now, for today, I stand up as the captain of my soul, the master of my fate. I stand up for everyone who has ever felt trapped in this mire. I stand up to say that the buck stops right here, right now.
As I told you, things don't always happen as they are planned.